The magnitude of going to South Pole or anywhere in Antarctica in the middle of winter is fairly serious. We hadn't been involved with Antarctica in June before, so there's the unknowns and the first times for a lot of us. It's the worst time to be down there flying, that's for sure.
The Antarctic poses varying risk with extreme cold weather conditions, high altitude. During the winter season, it gets dark for the entire period. That makes this mission more challenging than what we routinely do.
Prior to leaving, I tried to visualize all the problems that we would have along the way to try and not be caught off guard by it. Things like an engine failure. If I had to land, where was it going to be? You can plan for everything. You can plan for winds, you can plan for en route weather, but you just can't plan for the breakdowns or the unknowns that could happen.
The limited resources and facilities en route compound the danger.
You're just kind of out there on your own. Just watching our fuel, it took up a lot of your mind for most of the trip. We don't have a lot of reserve. Any kind of headwinds and changes of 2 or 3 knots on that distance at our slow speed was going to make a difference into, could we actually make it all the way? The weather extremes were quite large. South Pole was minus 59.8 degrees exactly when we landed. Departing out of South Pole, to tell you the truth, we weren't entirely confident we had enough room of cleared skiway. Just to get the airplane moving took pretty much all the power of the engines. They lit a fire and a couple of drums, and that's what we had for lighting there. I believe we had maybe about 7,000 feet down the skiway. Even at that point, we weren't sure if that was going to be enough for us to get airborne. I recall just getting the nose off at around the 5,000 to 6,000 foot marker and at a weight that is way over the maximum normal operating weight for that aircraft, and we slowly got airborne. This took probably hundreds of people. Everyone did a professional job, and without them, I'm not sure it would have went off as well as it did. Our ability to brainstorm as a group, to visualize those problems that could come along the way, we were prepared for it.
They were focused, they knew what they had to do, and they're just there to do it. You don't really see it as being a big deal. It's your job. You get up and you go do it. You focus on it, you do it, and you do it well. The response that we got from random people was kind of overwhelming to us. We do appreciate the attention and the coverage it's gotten, but we'd be quite happy if it didn't get any attention as well, and if it just happened.
It is nice to be recognized for our efforts to go down and do this. Everybody was involved any way they could, and that's probably the best part of it, is to say thanks to everybody.